App notifications. Need to share a promo or an update? Send it straight to the user's apps. Let's see how it works. My Hub. Go to App Notifications in the side menu and click on Create. Choose if the message should be pinned to the home screen until read. Select your audience, drivers or customers. Create an engaging title and message body. Include an external link in the app notification. That's it, notification created. It will be sent to active users' in-app notification centers. You can track what you've sent and manage all messages from one place. Mobile apps. Pinned notifications are shown on the home screen until they're read. All notifications are stored in one place for easy access via the side menu. Red indicators show unread messages. All your messages are now saved in one place. Users can return to them anytime.